Good evening, ma'am.
Children, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Before going to start today's class, there are what are the different types of integers, children? As I said, the z plus and z
Negative, positive.
minus. What is z?
Positive and negative.
Negative, positive.
Z
Ma'am,
plus
negative,
means,
positive.
z plus means negative integers. Z minus means
Positive integers.
sorry, this is negative. No. Sorry, this
Minus
is
means negative, ma'am. Z
Yes,
minus
positive.
negative, Z
Yes,
plus positive.
yes, positive integers. Yeah. So here, let me question now. The same way we have in rational numbers also, there are positive rational numbers as well as negative rational numbers. What are positive rational numbers? When we said that given number is positive rational number, and when we are going to say it is a negative rational number. Any idea, children? Because you are learning this.
Negative sign will be, ma'am. Negative sign will be.
Yes.
Ma'am, when
Come on.
the numerator and the denominator are both positive or both negative, they are positive rational numbers.
Exactly, Sahasra. Very good.
And
Rational
the
number.
negative is
Negative,
positive
then
one is
it is
negative.
negative.
When either
Negative.
Exactly.
when either numerator or
Good.
denominator negative integers.
Yeah, just we'll recall the points, then we'll rational numbers. In that positive rational numbers, when we are going to say that positive rational
Ma'am,
numbers,
when both the numerator and denominator are positive, or
yes,
Both the numerator and denominator have the same signs, ma'am.
Numerator is negative, it is known as negative and positive rational numbers, ma'am.
yes, both numerator and denominator are like signs. Denominator,
same signs. Minus
yes,
plus.
are like.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
Yes, please,
Ma'am, we have to write this.
please mute yourself. Please mute yourself.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
No, for your understanding, just if you want, you can write.
Okay.
Both numerator
Okay.
and denominator are like signs. Like signs means what, Nana?
Both positive or both
Either
negative.
minus or plus plus.
Yes, example, let me, either both or plus plus. Plus plus, I'm not going to mention. 3
Or
by
4.
5 and 7 by 9, whatever, 11 by.
Ma'am, unlike means which signs are different.
Yes.
21.
Any number you take. These are, and another case, if I'm taking minus the same numbers, is it positive integers, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am,
Ma'am,
it's positive.
Yes, ma'am. Because minus gets
Positive
cancelled.
rational number.
Very good. Because minus get cancelled, and if both are like signs, means we are saying those integers as positive integers.
Ma'am, positive rational number. Ma'am.
Sorry, positive rational number.
Rational numbers, ma'am.
Yes. Coming to the negative rational numbers. What is negative rational numbers, children?
Minus
Ma'am,
3.
and one is positive and one is negative.
Minus 1 by 9.
Either numerator or denominator. Either numerator or denominator.
Numerator or the denominator have
Ma'am,
negative.
they have unlike signs, ma'am.
Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, unlike signs means minus.
Yes.
Minus only, ma'am. No,
Yeah. Negative rational number are either numerator or denominator. Either numerator or denominator.
Denominator.
Either numerator or denominator.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Or
must be negative.
Or negative or positive.
Yes. Should be.
Negative or positive.
Yes. Or you just take as a sign positive. Examples?
Ma'am, but if numerator or denominator will be positive or negative, then it could be if
minus 3 by 5.
numerator is positive and denominator is negative, then also it will be a negative rational number, right, ma'am?
Both, unlike Nana, numerator and denominator should be unlike signs here.
Okay, ma'am.
Either numerator
Ma'am,
you just write,
examples
or else you just
minus-
numerator and denominator should be unlike signs.
Ma'am, like examples minus 3 by 5, 5 by minus 15, or else minus 2 by 10, ma'am.
Yes, write your own examples, children. Please write down examples you're supposed to write. Anything, say minus 3 by 5 or 3 by minus 5 or minus whatever. Either see, in the first example, you see numerator is negative, denominator no sign means it is positive. In the second example, numerator is Jitesh. In second example, numerator is
Ma'am, positive.
denominator is
Ma'am, negative.
okay.
Negative.
Yes. Minus 8 by 12, anything you can take, etc. Children, these are the negative integers. Now we have to discuss.
Ma'am, actually I did not write that negative rational numbers. Can you repeat?
No, negative rational numbers are numerator and denominator should be unlike signs.
Okay, ma'am.
Numerator and denominator should be unlike. Any one, either numerator or denominator should be negative or positive. Let me take here operations. How many operations are there, Siddharth, in mathematics?
Ma'am?
How many operations are there in mathematics?
Ma'am, 4, ma'am.
4, ma'am.
Yes, what are those?
Ma'am, addition, multiplication,
Subtraction, multiplication,
subtraction.
Operations on rational numbers.
Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division.
Yes. So we discussed in our previous classes all the operations on the rational numbers. Now I'm going to give a few. Rational numbers are nothing but the same thing what we are learning in our fraction chapter. The same thing, only the signs you're supposed to take care, and rest are same. There are 4 operations: addition of rational numbers, subtraction of rational numbers.
multiplication, division.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Multiplication, division.
Yes, Nana.
Ma'am, can
Multiplication.
we write this?
Yes, please. Multiplication of rational numbers and division of rational. In each and every concept, we will go with a few examples. Then we will start our division of rational numbers. Let me take a few examples on different operations. You know, children, what are fractions, addition, fraction, subtraction, fraction, multiplication, and fraction?
Yes, ma'am, I know, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You just recall
Yes,
those
ma'am.
terms, children. Just recall how we are doing in that cases. You just recall those things. We will take a few examples on addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Let me take my rational numbers are minus 3 by 5 plus 3 by 4. I suppose to add these two rational numbers. What is first rational number? Is the negative rational number or positive rational number?
Negative.
Ma'am, first one is
Negative.
negative, ma'am.
Second
Ma'am, we
one?
could do it. Ma'am,
Positive.
it is positive, ma'am.
Okay. Anything. How this is unlike rational numbers, not like yes or no. Denominators are not same. You should make your denominators as same. What you're supposed to do? Come on.
Ma'am, can we cross multiply like minus
Very good.
12
Ma'am, yes,
plus
ma'am.
15
Ma'am, 5 into
upon
4, 4 into 5,
20?
20.
Ma'am, can you tell? Ma'am, the thing is we have to multiply 4 and 5, ma'am. It is 20, ma'am. Now we have to multiply,
5 and
cross multiply, ma'am. 3 into 5 and minus 4 into 4.
Yes.
Minus 3 into 4.
Yes. So by seeing only you
Ma'am,
can
it
say,
comes 3 by 20.
by seeing only you can say 4 into 5. 4 and 5 are continuous numbers.
Minus
So
5, 20.
yes. Consecutive numbers are continuous numbers. Continuous numbers. So LCM is 4 5s are 20. Or else you directly simply cross multiply, children. Why? Because you have to cross multiply. Once you are getting your LCM. Minus 3 multiplied with 4.
And what if there are three numbers, ma'am?
Where, Nana?
Ma'am, if there are minus 3 by 5 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 5, then how can we cross multiply it, ma'am?
Suppose in that case, we supposed to not able to do. Correct, Pallav. In this case only
No,
we
ma'am,
can
in
do.
that also we
Or
can do
else,
first
or
two
else,
numbers
or
we
else
will
you
do
can,
and
that's
then
what
we
I'm
will do
telling
with third.
LCM part you're supposed to take. Each and everything you have to make your denominators as same. So here 5 multiplied with 4. Why? Because 5 is there. Make your denominator to equal to 20. Then you're supposed to multiply with 4.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, if there are 3 or more numbers, then also we can do. We can take first two numbers, do, then take third number, then do, and then take fourth number like that.
Yes, you can use because how many different varieties of methods they will follow, children. Any method answer is ultimately you're getting the same only. 5 4s are 20 plus 3 5s are 15. Here it's both are like
3 by 20.
here both are unlike. Unlike means
Ma'am,
here
the answer is 3 by 20, ma'am.
minus 12, yes. By 15 by
Ma'am,
3 by 20.
3 by 20, ma'am.
yes, 3 by 20. Can I give one more bit for your practice? Who will give quick answer? Let me check now.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, when we gonna start the
1 minute, ma'am.
Ma'am, are you writing
No,
something
no,
on
I'm
the
not
screen?
writing. Let them complete the sum first. I will
Yes,
give the
ma'am.
sum.
Completed, ma'am. Completed.
Good, good.
Ma'am, can you wait? I am writing.
Yes. No, I didn't write anything, ma'am. Shall I give some for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, done.
ma'am, this
Ma'am,
time, this
please
time,
wait, ma'am. I'm copying it.
Okay, come on. Slowly, no hurry, children. You try to understand. We will do the sums. No need of a running race here. You should learn the things.
And we should do this for.
The first bit, anyway, I did on the screen. Second bit for your task. Second bit is your task. Who will give? I'm giving 3 rational numbers. I'm giving 3 rational numbers here.
excuse me,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
should we write the answer in the chat?
Complete it and put personal chat for me.
Ma'am, what is the question, ma'am? Your board is stuck for me.
No, I didn't write anything on the screen. Wait, because few students they are copying the question.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I'm copying done, ma'am. Right.
Completed.
Ma'am, when we start the
Yes,
exercise,
ma'am.
When we will start exercise, first basic part should need to complete, Ardeep. Once
Ma'am, you
basics
can
are
give
over,
the
then
question.
we go with our exercise part.
okay, ma'am.
Write down the question. Minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5 plus minus 3 by 7. Come on, children, this is your task. Use same method what we are doing in our fractions chapter, please. Who will give, please put a chart, personal chart, don't shout in the group. Put a personal chart so that I can see your answers. Who are giving first, second, third like that.
Ma'am, I posted the message in the chat.
Okay, who is this?
Ma'am, Pallav.
Pallav. Okay, let me check Pallav. Yes,
Ma'am, I also
Sahu.
posted before some
Yes,
time.
Sahu posted first. Yes, Sahu posted first, then Pallav, then Akash. Akash, once you check your answer, Akash, please. And
Okay, ma'am.
please try to check once again. No worry. No hurry. Also, please try to check once again.
Ma'am, is my answer correct?
All, yes, all boys only responding quickly. Where is the girls?
Ma'am, is my answer correct?
Let them do the sum first. Okay, children, please let them complete. Let them complete. I will give the answers. Who's correct, who's wrong, I will tell now. I want answers from girl students. No girl is responding. What are they doing? Let me check the people who are there in the group.
Ma'am, I sent my answer.
Yes, let me check.
Ma'am, even I have resent it.
Yes, Jashmita, I think I can see your answer. Jivitesh, I can see. Jivitesh, once you need to check your answer, Jivitesh, numerator part, not denominator. Numerator, please check it once again. Akash, please. And I can see you, Sahasra. Right, Sahasra, I can see your answer. And where is the remaining students? I'm waiting for the more number of students.
Ma'am, is my answer correct?
Yes, let them do the students, then I will help you children.
Ma'am, is my answer correct?
Yes, you post it, ma. You post. Yes, Siddharth, please check the numerator part.
Ma'am,
Please check once again the numerator part.
Ma'am, this is Akash.
Akash,
Ma'am, this is Akash.
Akash.
Ma'am, I have resent it.
Okay. Srihita.
Ma'am, I sent it, ma'am.
Srihita.
Ma'am, in the meantime, can you give us one more sum?
Okay. Okay. Yes, a few students they completed. Okay. First bit, who didn't complete, please.
Yes, ma'am, one more.
Please
Yes,
complete
ma'am, you
the-
give one more still that meanwhile.
what is the answer?
What is the
Answer, ma'am.
answer? I will give. They're trying. Let them try. I didn't get answers from more. Satvik, are you there, Nana? Satvik.
Yes, ma'am.
Please respond. I want answer. I didn't get the answer from you. And Navyasri, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Please, I want the answers. You didn't complete the part.
No,
Waiting
ma'am.
for your reply. And who completed those students? Please do this. A third bit for them. Who didn't complete, please complete the second one. Who completed those, you supposed to do the third bit. Minus 3 by, wait minute, minus 3 by 9 plus minus 9 by 11 plus 5 by 7. Let me check. Some student is posted the answer. So what happened to my this? 1 minute now. Something is. What I should do, children, now?
Ma'am, zoom out, ma'am.
Ma'am, there in the bottom right of your screen, you zoomed in a lot, ma'am.
Where I supposed to? What I?
Ma'am, bottom right, there is a
Ma'am,
minus.
the graph in the
Press on
tool
that.
sheet.
1 minute now. 1 minute.
Ma'am, the other side, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. This is minus 5 by, what is the number I am giving children? Minus 5 by 7, sorry, plus 5 by 7. Let me check the answers posted by the student. Yes. Siddharth, your answer minus 42 by, and Srihita 178 by 105. Akash 188 by 105. Okay. Let me do the sum on the screen, children. Navyasri.
Yes, ma'am.
Nikita, Navyasri, I didn't.
Ma'am, I'm keeping, ma'am.
Yes, please complete the sum, student.
Ma'am, I sent you the message of third sum solution.
Okay, first let me complete the second one, Nana. Because since all are unlike,
Okay, ma'am.
unlike means what you supposed to do here?
Ma'am, LCM we have to do, ma'am.
3, 5, 7. What is LCM for 3, 5?
Ma'am, 105 will get, ma'am.
105. And now first fraction denominator is 3. You just leave this and multiply these two. That means 35. And the second fraction as it is, you're supposed to write 3 by 5. You just leave this and multiply these two, and 3 sevens are 21. You multiply both the sides with 21 plus minus 3 divided by 7. 7 you leave, and the rest of the two numbers 3 5s are 15. You're supposed to multiply. Okay. Wait a minute, children. I'll check your answers. This is minus 35 means minus 75 by 105 plus 21 3 times how much, children? 63 by 105 minus, this is plus into
Minus 45 by
minus
105.
45 by 105. Now these two are minus 45. Let me check the numerator. Minus 70 plus 63 minus 45 divided by 105. Now
Ma'am, minus 7 minus 45. It will be minus minus plus, and the sign will be of greater number. Minus 52 by 105.
okay. Now whose answer is correct, children? You only tell. Whose answer is correct?
Ma'am, it's correct.
How many of you correct?
Ma'am, mine is correct.
Ma'am, I think mine is correct, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the answer, ma'am?
Siddharth, you only tell Siddharth minus 70. Since these two
Ma'am,
are
I got correct, ma'am.
since these two are negative, means what you should do? You have to add and keep minus sign. So minus
Ma'am, we should add.
minus 115, right? Or 105.
Ma'am, is minus 52 by 105 is correct?
Yes.
Yes,
now you
ma'am, I
have to
also same
subtract
answer.
5 minus
Ma'am, even I
2.
got the answer.
Yes.
Ma'am, I got
My answer is correct.
Now
I got minus 115 plus 63.
Siddharth, Siddharth, where you did mistake? Siddharth,
Ma'am, doubt.
okay, 1 minute, I'm coming.
Ma'am, can you check
Ma'am,
third
I
sum
am
answer?
having a doubt, ma'am.
Which one, ma? You have doubt? Which one you have doubt?
Ma'am, I actually
1 minute, one by one. Jitvesh, Jivitesh,
Yes, ma'am.
where is your doubt? Which bit, Nana? Second bit?
Yes, ma'am. There's ma'am, any sum we can't do without taking LCM.
Without LCM, with some, if denominators are same means we can do directly. Without LCM also we can do. How we can do? You make your denominators as same. Here
Yes, ma'am.
denominator.
Yes, ma'am. That I know, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Right. Next.
Ma'am, can you tell the solution for next sum?
Wait, Sahu. I will definitely help. Let me. Meanwhile, Siddharth. Where is Siddharth? Your doubt?
Ma'am, actually, in the subtraction, instead of writing 11, I wrote 10, ma'am.
Okay. That's why you should be very cautious while doing your calculation part. I can see from girls who are correct. Let me check.
Okay.
Yes, from first Siddharth gave the answer for this bit. Minus 52, it's correct. Pallav correct. Akash given wrong answer. Jashmita, Jashmita sign. Where is the sign, Jashmita?
Ma'am, again I sent it, ma'am, with the same.
Okay. Let me check. Akash, once again. Yes, Jashmita, correct. Jivitesh, 18 by 105.
Ma'am, mistake.
Okay, correct yourself, please. And Sahasra, correct. Here, who are the others? Sahasra, correct. And okay, Sahasra given for the second bit also. And Sahasra, Sahu, they are given for the next bit. Okay, let me.
Ma'am, I also go for the second third bit, ma'am.
Okay, let me check. I didn't.
Ma'am, is my third one correct, ma'am? Ritesh.
Jivitesh, what's your third answer?
I kept
Ma'am?
that one.
Ma'am?
Siddharth.
Ma'am,
154 by 154 by 1.
My answer is for third. I have sent it, ma'am.
ma'am,
Third
whose
answer.
answer is correct for third?
Okay, Nana, 1 minute. Let me check the question. I didn't. Where is the question? Okay, this is the question, right? What is the LCM?
Ma'am,
children?
can we do in first step only minus 3 by 9 as minus 1 by 3?
Very good, very good, very good. If you simplify, almost 10 to 20% calculation part is going to reduce here. Once that's why I gave the question. Why I gave the question minus 3 by 9. How many of the students will reduce and do the sum, or directly they will do? How many of you reduce it, children?
Ma'am, I reduced.
Very good. Pallav,
No, ma'am, I didn't reduce.
Sahasra.
No, ma'am, I did not reduce it.
What is the use of reducing here 1 by 3?
It makes the
Ma'am, it
can
is
get
easy
less-
to do the
less
calculation
LCM.
Yes,
because the
ma'am.
answer comes
Yes.
little less.
Because in competitive examinations also they will test you such a type of bits. They will question you how to think and do the sums. If any calculation part is going, you just simplify and do your calculations. Then your 20% of time will save. Now if you write as 1 by 3, now 11 3s are 33, 33 7s are LCM is 303. Denominator is 303. Now you have to check it, children. Who's correct? Let me see the question.
Something wrong came up.
ఏంట్రా ఎవరో అడుగుతున్నారు. What is that? Something they are asking.
Ma'am, what's the correct answer? Can you repeat?
1 minute, Nana, I didn't check. Maybe it's minus 303.
Can you say the correct answer again for third one?
Okay, I'll write on the screen. Just a minute, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll clear this and I'll do on the screen. What are the fraction? What are the rational numbers? Please tell, Nana. Minus 3 by 9.
Minus 3 by 9
minus
plus
3 by 9.
minus 9 by
Minus
11
3 by 9 plus minus 9 by 11 plus 5 by 7.
Plus 9 by.
Ma'am, plus.
Ma'am, minus 9 by 11.
Minus 9 by 11, ma'am. Plus 5 by 7.
Plus 5 by 7.
Ma'am, plus 5 by 7. Yes,
Oh.
ma'am.
Now I am reducing here to make my calculation simple. This is minus 1 by 3. And this is plus into minus is minus 9 by 11. Here plus 5 by 7. Now, what I said, these are no common factors. 3, 11, 7 are prime numbers. No prime number is not repeated. So just multiply and give the answer. 11 7s are 77. 77 into 3. 21, 21, 22, 23.
231.
231. Ma'am, 231.
Yes.
Ma'am, denominator is correct, my.
231, Nana. Now you have to make your denominators as same.
Ma'am, it is minus 231, ma'am.
Nana, 3 leave just the rest of the two numbers you take. 11
Yes, ma'am.
7,
Actually, it is minus 231.
77 minus 9 by 11. 11 is there. So denominator 11 leave just the rest of the two numbers you take. 7 3s are 21 multiplied with 21 plus 5 by 7. ఇక్కడ 7 leave చేసేసి rest of two numbers you supposed to take. 11 3s are 33. 30. Now you have to check, children. Minus 7 by 231 minus 18 by 231 and plus 33 5 times, Nana.
Minus 77, ma'am, not 77.
Okay. Good. Yes.
Ma'am,
No,
ma'am,
33
even
5
19
times.
to
5
21,
3s
ma'am.
are 15,
19
15
to
plus
21.
165 by 231.
Ma'am,
Oh, yes.
ma'am,
Minus
it is 9 to
77.
21, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is 9 into
Ma'am,
21,
9
ma'am.
into 21, ma'am.
Ekandana?
Ma'am, 9 into 21, not 9 into 2.
9 into 21. Okay, then 21 9 times entanana? 9 2s are 18.
189, ma'am.
Yeah, good. It's minus 189 plus
Ma'am, it's 189.
plus 33 5 times 1. 165 divided by 231. Now you have to, both are negative, means you supposed to add minus 189 minus 77. You have to add, you are getting as sorry, 16 plus
Ma'am, my answer is correct. It is minus 101 upon 231.
1 minute, Mama. 816. It's 2 minus 266 plus 165
Ma'am,
divided
I also got the same answer, ma'am. 101 by 231. But I
Minus
did it
1 not
different way, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
101 minus.
minus
Ma'am,
101
first I got
upon
wrong, but again
231.
I didn't got the correct answer wrong.
Okay, right, Jashmita. Good.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 101 by 231.
Ma'am,
Only
I
when
did it without
everyone, I think
cancelling.
everyone are good at calculation. Only the thing when you are doing your integer concept is there. When plus and minus, when you are doing, very cautiously do the
correct
simplification.
రాశాను కాకపోతే వేరే వేలో చేశాను
Yeah, no hurries, no hurries, no worries. But
నేను వేరే చేసా మ్యామ్ సగం సగం ఫాస్ట్ ఫాస్ట్
check the students who are doing correct answer. Jashmita, you are correct, Jashmita. And
Ma'am,
yes,
ma'am, I did it without cancelling it. So I got it as minus 3 or 3 by 693, ma'am. If I cancel it,
Jashmita,
I
you will
got.
get the same. I think so. Correct, Pallav. That's why I'm
Yes,
checking.
ma'am.
Pallav.
If I cancel it, I got the same.
Oh, yeah. Always you have to reduce and write the answer. Okay. Right. Even Pallav also correct, but Pallav need to reduce the fraction. That's all. Good, Nana. Good. Yes.
Ma'am, I also got the right answer.
actually I did in a different way, ma'am.
Oh, Siddharth, what is the way?
Ma'am, actually I did all the LCM, then last I got 693, ma'am. Ma'am, when I did LCM for 9, 11 and 7, ma'am, I got 693, ma'am. Then I multiplied, ma'am.
Correct only.
Minus 3 by 9.
Correct only.
Then
That's
I got
right. The same thing Pallav did, Siddharth. The same thing. What you did, the same thing. Pallav is not simplified 3 by 9. He is taking directly the same thing.
Actually, ma'am, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am, correct
Akash.
answer.
Akash.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, first I got minus 303 upon 693. If I'll cut them, so my answer will be minus 101 upon 231.
Correct, Nana. Correct. Good. Good. This is about addition, children. Shall we go to subtraction and multiplication also there?
Yes, ma'am.
Supposed to complete all 4 operations in this class. Then tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me give in subtraction also few bits.
Ma'am, all we will do today only.
4 operations we will do, Nana. Properties. Tomorrow we will go with our concepts. What you have in your textbook concepts. Because this is a recapitalization. What you are learning in a previous class. This is only recalling, not class. Because addition
Okay,
and
ma'am.
subtractions you are doing in your grade 7 only, not grade 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Subtract the second, third bit, Nana. Subtract minus 3 by 5 from minus 5 by 6. Come on, children. from after what you have first, you're supposed to write that. So it's a negative rational number minus 5 by 6. Subtract.
Ma'am, minus 5 by 6 plus 3 by 5.
Very good. Subtract means you're supposed to take minus. Again, you need to subtract minus 3 by 5 rational number. Here, minus of minus becomes plus, children. Minus of minus becomes plus. Or else in subtraction, that the next number, that is subtrahend sign will be changed. That's nothing but 3 by 5. Now you have to take like, these are unlike rational numbers. You make as a like means you take LCM. 5 and 6 are continuous numbers. LCM is 30.
Ma'am, we can cross multiply. It is
Yes,
easy. And answer
6
is
by
minus 7 by 30.
Yes.
Ma'am, minus 7 by 30, ma'am. The
Yes,
answer
Yes,
is
ma'am,
correct.
minus
Good,
7 by
good.
30.
I can see there are 2 students posted answers also good. Sahu and Pallav. Good. LCM equal to 6.
Ma'am, I got minus 7 by 30, ma'am.
Why? Why? Where you are doing error? You check.
Actually, ma'am,
Ma'am, even I got
Ma'am,
minus
I got
7 by
minus 7 by 30.
Okay, correct. Sahasra,
Yes, ma'am.
what's your answer, ma?
Ma'am, I got minus 7 by 30.
Correct. Minus 25 by 30 plus 6 threes are 18 by 30. Both are like now. You make
It will become plus, ma'am. So it will
numerator
become
minus 25
7.
plus 18 divided by 30. One is negative, one is positive, means you need to subtract. So
Subtract
25 minus 18 means it's
7.
7, but a greater number having negative sign. So minus 7 by 30 is the answer. Yes, I can see the many students are given by the same answer. Let me check. 5 students gave. Yes. Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I did not give in chat this time. I directly said.
Akash,
ma'am,
Akash, what's your
ma'am, I
answer?
directly said.
Satvik, correct, Nana.
ma'am, first it was wrong. When I rechecked it, then I have sent it the correct answer, ma'am.
Good. Jivitesh, correct.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.